Hello, today we are making mango chili wings using some wings here that I have cut up. I took off the tips and the excess feather that's usually left on, and it's nicely cleaned. And I'm using for the chili, I'm using my Paposhito chili sauce. And the other ingredients is it's mango chili wings. So I've got some mangoes in here, and I've got some honey and some dark brown sugar, some salt. You can use any kind of salt, but I'm using pink salt, and I've got some lime. That's all you need. So to start with, we need to blend all the ingredients together. So I've got my mangoes in here in my food processor. I'm going to add in my dark brown sugar and my salt and squeeze of the lemon juice. This is lime. You can use lemon as well to make it easier to squeeze everything out. Just use your spoon, and that really helps to squeeze all that juice out of it. So you need the juice of one lime. Yeah, okay, so let's squeeze it out. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now to this we add some honey. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons full of honey. You need that sweetness because this chili sauce, Paposhito chili sauce, is really hot. So it's a sweet yet chili hot wings. It's finger licking good. So to this, then I add my Paposhito chili sauce. So I need quite a bit because I've got quite a lot of chicken wings in here. Next thing is to just whisk everything up. It's done. Look at the sauce. It is yummy. You can have a try. It is really tasty. So now it's time to pour the sauce over our chicken. So pour the sauce over the chicken. Everything, get everything in there. And basically just mix it. You're welcome to use your hands to get it really massaged into the chicken. It's so delicious. You know, I'm just salivating already, but it's not done. So I'm going to let this marinate in the fridge for some good couple of hours. I've got quite some time, so I'll let it marinate for a day before I grill it. This will be perfect for barbecuing, for oven grilling or baking or even broiling will be good. However you choose to have it, pan grilled will be fantastic as well. However you choose to, you know, get it cooked, it will still be good. I wouldn't recommend frying though. Just a heated grill or oven would do the job for you. So this is it. Cover it, let it marinate for some good couple of hours before cooking it. So it's time for us to bake our mango chili wings, our Paposhito mango chili wings. Okay, so this has been marinating in the fridge overnight. I took it out for about an hour ago, so it has come to room temperature. So what I'm going to do is to bake it on my tray. You can use a casserole dish, anything that will give it room for it to brown nicely and for the sauce to get sticky. So I'm going to transfer this in here and then bake. My oven has been preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, so it's nice and hot, ready for my chicken. So you spread it out to make sure each chicken wing has room to, you know, cook, develop, and just be nice and sticky. So you spoon your sauce all over it, because that's what's going to make it develop that stickiness. Okay. And as it bakes, you brush more of the chicken with more of the sauce. There we go. Okay, so this is going to go in the oven and bake. It may take about 40 minutes for it to become brown and sticky and cook through. And now our mango chili wings are ready. Just came out of the oven. Leave it in as long as you can to give it some brownness and for the stickiness to develop. Serve it as you wish. It's so good. Just look at that. So good.